Look, your expensive appliance isn't actually broken. It's just failing in a way that looks serious. Here's what most people don't realize. When a high-end oven, microwave, or device stops working, 90% of the time, it's not a major failure. It's something tiny. A microscopic crack, a weak solder joint, a small electrical break on a control board. But instead of fixing that, technicians replace the entire unit. Why? Because it's faster and more profitable. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds complicated. But look, it's not. All you need is a basic soldering iron, some conductive material, and a little patience. That's it. Less than $20. This is where it gets really interesting. That dead machine you were about to replace, it can come back to life in minutes. Because you're not fixing the whole system. You're fixing the real problem. A tiny break that stopped everything. Think about it like this. It's like a chain. If one small link breaks, the entire chain fails. But you don't replace the whole chain. You fix the link. Same logic. And once you understand this, you stop depending on expensive repairs. You start thinking differently. You start solving problems. And that's the real power. Because this is not just about repairing appliances. It's about taking control. Control over your money, your skills, your decisions. So next time something dies, don't panic. Look closer. Because it might not be broken. It might just need a small fix. And that small fix can save you thousands.